1,000 subscribers! We finally did it!
Your YouTube channel is not growing? No views? No subscribers? Then watch this video till the end, because I will show you an exact 30-day plan to grow your YouTube channel. Day 1 to 3, channel setup. Choose a clear niche: gaming, tech, facts, etc. Create a professional logo and banner. Write an SEO-friendly About section. Prepare at least 10 video ideas before starting. Consistency is the key to growth. Day 4 to 10, content strategy. Upload one video daily. Mix shorts and long videos. Create videos on trending topics. Focus on a strong hook in the first 5 seconds. Thumbnail plus title equals 70% growth. Day 11 to 20, algorithm push. Do keyword research. Write SEO title and description. Reply to comments. Improve audience retention. Watch time is the most important factor. Day 21 to 30, growth hacks. Follow viral formats, but keep content original. Do collaborations. Make content series on the same topic. Push shorts for faster reach. Consistency plus patience equals growth. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, subscribe now. For daily YouTube tips, press the bell icon.